So today I'm going to show you how to add cash onto your SoFi Invest account. Now we're here on the SoFi app, as you can see, in real time. If for some reason you don't have an account, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below. Supports the channel but gets you started right away. Now here on our investing tab, you're going to see a couple different options. We have a crypto investing account as well as an active individual. So we're going to go into our active individual. You can see we have about $640 on this account. And what we want to do is actually go ahead and add some cash on here so we can maybe buy some more stocks. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is click on the option that says add cash. Now right over here, it gives us a from and a to, which the from is from our SoFi money account, which if you have one, actually allows you to deposit instantaneously. But if you don't, if you click on here, you can do more transfer options. So you can go ahead and add a different option for you if you want to transfer from a regular traditional bank or any other options. So from there, you're going to go ahead and have it to, which is our individual taxable account. And then our frequency is a one time. So if you wanted to go ahead and do, let's say $10, you can go ahead and click on review deposit. It's going to show right over here. You can click on confirm and it'll have that money moved instantaneously since it's from a SoFi money account to be able to start buying into stocks. Now, if you want to learn how to buy your first stock on SoFi Invest, I want you to click on my video right over here to keep on learning. My name is Dennis and I'll see you in that next video.